Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Once for all upgrade safe Mandoline Slicer Plus, Bidger size, adjustable vegetable food chopper potato fries cutter, detachable blade, kitchen chopping artifact, gift, sky blue. Safer slicer, safety Mandoline slicer for any cook. Sharp hidden blade slicing is fast, uniform, and easy to set up and clean up, and does not need to glove up or change the blade to use it. This is definitely an upgrade replacement you're cooking daily. Upgrade large capacity, once for all's JS03 vegetable slicer larger feeding port and container chopper more food at once, offers 4 mode choices julienne, matchstick, slicing, and dicing at once no need to change the blade. Adjustable thickness 0.1 to 8 mm, great for quickly slicing potatoes, carrots, cucumbers. Easy to clean, our kitchen veggie chopper has a collapsible design that is easy to clean. You can easily remove food residues under the tap with the small brush we gifted. Small size takes up little counter or cupboard space, and is a great tool for anyone's kitchen. High quality, the food Mandoline is made of 420 stainless steel blades, safe, and healthy. Vegetable slicer is a good idea for the festival of wedding or home gift. Thanks for watching and subscribe.